Hello, ladies and gents. Today we are talking about inducement and SMT. SMT means smart money trap and how we can spot them and how can we avoid to become to become in smart money order books. Okay, so we should not trade from inducement or smart money trap because we will be liquidated. It's Angels FX with you guys, the owner of 828 Club. So let's start. Inducement. Like induce, the word means succeed in persuading or leading someone to do something. What does it mean? It means that when you make people do something and you may, like, for example, we are at, how can like, let's make example of trading. Okay, let's say we are on the charts and we see we have this whole institutional move. Okay, big candles. Let's imagine we have big candles and we want to buy from this dimension, from this order block, because we have breakout structure, we have institutional move, and we know that volume has become. Okay, so what they have done, what market have done, market induced you to buy from this dimension. They know that you will buy from this dimension. Okay, so they made you induced by, but you don't know that the real dimension is below that inducement and smart money trap. So induce, I love this word. Okay, like when you realize what this word means, then you know what does, like, what inducement really is. Okay, let's read it again. Succeed in persuading or leading someone to do something. In other words, it means decoy. Okay, when you lie to someone else or you make somebody to do something, so it's decoy. You make them think that they are correct. Inducement is when price has been manipulated in such a way that it creates liquidity in areas that banks want to move price to and from. Once price have swept the inducement, it can then continue its move. Okay, so real move begins after we sweep inducement. SMT. SMT means smart money trap, and these traps are inducement order books, where many early sellers or buyers open their position, so enter trades. As a result, they will be liquidated and they will be removed from the positions because price will sweep this liquidity and then start the real move. So this is inducement example of bullish. Okay, when we have like demand zones, as we can see, this demand zone created new high, so higher high, higher low, higher high. We had this change of character here, and this is our valid demand zone because we have inefficiency here, imbalance, and the first pullback, the first retracement is inducement, guys. Okay, why? Because many people think we have this breakout structure here, and we have inefficiency here, and they will enter from these demand zones from here, but they don't know that we have this valid demand zone. So in a result, they aren't patient. I love these words. I always say, who is patient, he always is winner. So if you are patient, you are winner. That's it. This is bearish inducement example. As we can see, we have this valid and beautiful supply. We had change of character here. What price have done? Price moved down here, created new lower high, lower low, lower high, and again lower low. We have this inefficiency here. This is our first pullback, first retracement after creating supply. So price needs inducement for its full. Why price needs full? Everything needs full. Okay. If you have car, you know. If you don't have full, you cannot move. That's easy. Okay. It's same with trading. If price does not generate liquidity, it can't move. It can move logically. Okay, because everyone knows that this supply, if we did not have this, everyone would enter from here. Okay, everyone. But many smart money traders would enter here from here because they don't want to miss a move, don't miss a trade. Okay, so that's why many smart money traders are saying, and many like traders, smart money does not work. It doesn't work because you don't know how really smart money works. Okay, so don't say that smart money doesn't work. Get educated, get knowledge, get real like uh, motives why price moves, that it moves. Okay, why it moves. So this is our inducement. Okay, we have inefficiency here. Many people would enter here, so this is our smart money trap order block, but price will come here. Okay. Okay, let's draw another example on the charts, just like this. Okay, So boom, boom, we had this type of move, and we had our change of character here. As you can see, we had this liquidity sweep. Okay, so price is ready to go bearish, and price have done this kind of move. So we had this break of structure, confirming that we are on break, like bearish move. So we are in downtrend, and we have this beautiful, beautiful supply zone here. Imagine, okay? Let's mark. Where is our inducement? I will give you some time, okay? Think. Correct. This is our inducement. Okay. And where is our smart money trap? Correct. Here. This is our smart money order block. Why? Because many people will enter from here. Their stops will be here. Okay. Their take profit will be maybe here or here. It doesn't matter. But they like enter from inducement. They enter from smart money trap. We have this inefficiency here. Okay. This is our imbalance. Let's mark. This is our imbalance. This is our high that broke this higher low. Okay, so we created lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, so this is real move why price have like moved bearish. Okay, so this is our change of character. So we had this change of character, and this indicates that market is ready to go from uptrend to the downtrend, so from bullish to bearish. This is our valid zone, guys. Okay, this is just our smart money trap. Price needs liquidity, so here will be many orders, as you can see, many stop losses above these highs. What real and what well-informed traders will do, they will enter from here. Why? Because they know that many smart money traders would enter from these zones, and our take profit will be here, for example. Okay, next demand zone. Many well-informed traders would enter from here because they are experienced, they are disciplined. Okay, so we mark here disciplined, and patient traders would enter here. Well-informed traders also. Okay, let's mark well-informed traders, experienced traders also. Okay, here would enter like unexperienced and like unexperienced traders, and also not well informed traders, not well informed traders. Let's text I don't want to miss a move. Okay, type of traders. Okay, you know what I mean. So here this type of traders would enter. Let's mark just like this. Okay, let's do this 20. Oops. Let's make 20. Oh, I can make, okay, no problem. 20, and our color would be here. It doesn't matter, okay? Well, I can here. Okay, sorry guys. So well-informed traders would enter from here because they know they have liquidity here, and not well-informed traders will enter from here because they don't want to miss a move. And I will tell you this, okay? It's better to miss a trade than lose a trade. Okay, let me repeat. It is better to miss a trade than lose a trade. That's when you like print this idea in this sentence in your mind, okay, in your brain, then you will realize that this is correct. Okay, and this is really important to realize and to understand. It's better to miss a trade than lose a trade. Okay, that's it. Because when you lose trade, you did not follow your rule. Okay, then you have this type of ideas. Oh, trading doesn't work. I cannot trade. I cannot be trader. I cannot be profitable. Okay, when you miss a trade, you will say, okay, I did everything correct. Okay, so I was correct. I followed my rules. I was disciplined, but I missed trade. Okay, it is what it is. You cannot catch every trade. Okay, you should realize this. So price will make this type of move, okay? Maybe some reaction, and they are happy, okay? Traders are happy. Let's go, we are correct. Boom, you got liquidated, and real moves begins, and these traders won't trade, okay? From here to here. That's it. That's how inducement and smart money trade works. Let's do examples on real chart, okay? So what we can see here. So we have this supply zone here. Okay, as you can see, this is our 30-minute order block from here. This candle, this last buying candle, very beautiful. And we have our change of character here. Okay, so this is our 30-minute change of character. So I will give you some time. Okay, where is our inducement? Here. Okay, where is our inducement? Here. I'll give you some time. Correct. This is correct. This is our inducement. Okay. This is our inducement. And where is our smart money trap? Here. Why? Because this is supply zone. And many traders will say that this is our like let's mark smart money trap. Okay, this is our smart money trap. Because this is inducement order book. This is liquidity. So many traders would enter from here. Okay, many are not well informed traders from the smart money trap because they think they have breakout structure here. Okay, but the real move why candle gave us change of character and why price printed lower low and lower highs, as you can see here and here, because this move, because of this candle, okay, because of this indecision, like engulfing candle, okay. So this is our inducement. Price needs liquidity. So this supply zone to be valid, it needs liquidity. So we printed liquidity. Why? Because we have these stop losses here. Many orders will be here. So let's say here. So we would enter from here, from this order block, because we have liquidity. We know the price will come here. Our stops would be maybe here, and let's wait. Okay, we have this beautiful demand zone here, as you can see, and our take profit would be this demand zone, this order block open, this demand zone open. Okay, and do we have inducement here, guys? Let's map. Okay, let's try. We have inducement. Where we have inducement, I will give you some time. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes so you will see it more clear. Okay, where is our inducement here? Correct, we have this beautiful inducement here. Okay, this is our beautiful inducement, and let's refine this order block here. So we have this inducement. Where is our smart money trap? Correct, this whole, like, let's mark this is our smart money trap. Many traders will enter from here. Okay, but this is not valid. This is just trap. This is inducement. This is liquidity and inducement for this demand zone. Okay, so if the demand zone want to be like valid, and in order to work this demand zone and to be valid, we need liquidity. So we have liquidity for this demand zone right here. Okay, so let's wait. You can enter buys here because this demand zone is valid. Okay, I would not enter here, but I will show you examples. Okay, I would enter from here, of course, because we have inducement, we have breakout structure, we have change of character, and we have everything. Okay, and we are trading against the trend with this demand zone. So I would not enter here, but let's try. And no, now let's wait. Let's go to 30 minutes to make it quicker. I hope you understand, okay, guys, why this is our inducement. Let's wait. We are waiting. Boom. We have mitigated. So look at this. Price, like many traders would be happy, okay? Many are not well informed traders because, yes, we have a reaction. Price is ready to go down. Boom. You got liquidated by this move. Price even swept liquidity. Okay, yeah, we know that price has swept liquidity here, and price, like traders would enter here also. Okay, so price created double liquidity. Okay, as you can see, let's mark, and many traders would enter from here because they have breakout structure. They don't know, like, real. Okay, we don't have breakout structure here or anything else, but many traders would enter here. I don't know why, because I think the answer we all know, because they are not educated enough. Okay, they don't have knowledge. So they would enter here, boom, they are stopped out again. So our take profit here. Okay, maybe here. Let's see. Boom. We won, okay? 1 to 9, amazing. And as our take profit here, this would be our take profit. Or even here. Yes, here. Why? This is our supply zone. Let's mark supply zone, and we have inducement. Where is our inducement? Here. Okay. Why? Because this is our valid supply zone. This is the highs that broke this low and pretty new lower lows and lower highs. So the first lower high after this break, so first and recent lower high is our inducement. So this is our smart money trap again. Okay. This is our smart money trap. Let's wait. Okay, it's Saturday, price have stopped here, and I really believe that price will come here. Okay, let's delay this so we won't here. Let's delay everything. So this is how really market moves. Okay, we had our inducement here. This is our first retracement after this valid supply zone. This is our first retracement after this supply. Okay, I hope you understand. I will tell you more. So what this move is? Boom, 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 boom. So this is our first pullback. Boom. Okay, so this is our inducement. This is our first lower high. After this high, we had our change of character. As you can see, we had this breakout structure. So this is our lower high. This is our lower low, lower low. And this is our inducement. Why? Because we have this supply zone here. As you can see, supply, let's mark. Yeah, supply, you know. And this is our inducement. Why? Because we have this imbalance here. This real move, why we had change of character in the market. Yes, we have this breakout structure, but you should realize that we had change of character because of this candle, not because of this candle. Okay, so this is our inducement. Price needs liquidity to move as it falls. So this is our smart money trap. What price will make this type of move? Boom, that's it. You will take your profits here because this is our demand zone with liquidity, with inducement. So this is our inducement. Okay, this was our inducement, but it became our inducement because it swept this inducement. As you can see, liquidity sweep, and we have this inducement because this is our last retracement below this, above this demand zone. Okay, so this is how really the market moves. Okay, and how supply, or like, sorry, how inducement and smart money trap works. If you have any questions, you can rewatch the video maybe, or you can DM me. But I truly believe that it was really easy to explain. Okay, I really explained very well, and I hope you understand the information. And please take your notes. Okay, write down your notes, and after you watch this video, go straight to the charts. I don't care. Go straight to the charts. Okay, and do your back test and see how inducement works, and make I would say maybe try on these 3 pairs to backtest and spot where inducement is, and where is your inducement in lower time frame confirmations. Also, it's really nice to use this inducement in lower time frame confirmations and test this inducement and smart money trap all the time frames and all the pairs, okay, which you are trading. It really upgrade your skill levels and trading skills, and it will, like, how can I say, you will be more confident to trade. Okay, so I hope you understand, and see you guys in the next videos, and I hope you are doing well in your life, and be safe. I really love you guys and respect you, and I will help you at any time. Okay, don't be shy, ask questions, DM me. I'm always active, okay, on Telegram or even in Instagram. So don't be shy. I really hope you will become professional traders, and I really love you guys from my bottom of my heart. Okay, so see you guys in the next video.